Assalamu alaikum viewers, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. I am Moghbazar here from Alizaa. I am here to tell you that we are very soon opening our new outlet, Alizaa, second outlet. So this is going to be the best and bestest outlet in our country, Bangladesh. I hope you all will like our new outlet. And I have an announcement about that. Any bike that you buy from Alizaa, we've got Honda, we've got Yamaha, we've got Suzuki, we import from Indonesia, Thailand and India. Every bike that has been given the discount on 20th of September this month. Today is 18th September. We are opening in 20th September. So in 20th September, whoever is going to come to Alizaa, they're going to get 30%, 30,000 discount, 30,000 Taka discount on any bike that you choose. You will get 30,000 Taka discount on any bike that you choose, even if it's called Thai bike, Indo bike, Indian bike, any bike that you like. You can come to Alizaa, you can choose your dream bike and you can buy from Alizaa. You will get special discount on this our happiest moment, our opening day, and as well as it's our first anniversary announcement as well. So I hope all you guys are invited and you please come to Alizaa, visit Alizaa, love and spread Alizaa. You will get the best service ever you have ever thought. Thank you so much. I am Moghbazar signing off from here. Thanks once again. Assalamu alaikum.